Ben Fletcher here. So I've got something really interesting to show you today. It's by Demetrius Papadopoulos. This is a true passive income opportunity for you guys that works directly with Amazon KDP. Works with ebooks. You just upload ebooks to Amazon. It's a really interesting thing. As you can see, it works with AI and $426 in passive income. So I knew that you guys would possibly be interested in this. So I'm going to go and show you inside the tool and just show you how easy it is to create ebooks and get them into Amazon with this tool. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create an ebook and how to monetize those ebooks with your affiliate links for even more income on top of the book sales as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go inside, I'm going to go and demo the software, see how it works, watch over my shoulder, watch me do everything, and see how easy it is to get an ebook created, monetized with your affiliate links, and ready for Amazon. So let's go over there and do that now. Okay, so I was having a play around with this earlier, and as you can see, I've already done an ebook here. I've already created one, which is Mastering Meal Preps. It's all about meal plans and things like that. That's a big in-demand topic at the moment, so I decided to create an ebook in that. I'm going to show you what this ebook actually looks like. So if I actually go into book preview, as you can see, it created the cover for me. It's got a full table of contents here. As you can see, all the way down, it's a good ebook, pictures and everything, ready to go, ready to upload to Amazon KDP. The only thing that I haven't done here is monetize it with my affiliate link. So I'm going to create another ebook on a different subject, different topic. I'm going to monetize it with my affiliate link. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. So if we come over here to book research, first of all, what you need to do, I've done a few kind of demo things here. So I'm going to click Add Research. And I'm just going to give this a campaign name of My First Book Campaign. Okay, that's what I'm going to call it. Book title generation. So this is a research type. Now you can research on lots of different categories here. The title, popular books in the niche, best keywords and categories for ebooks, random ebook generator, all this kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for popular books in a niche. Once they're active, you can choose any of these niches here. So all I want to do is just get an idea of what's out there. These are all the niches that we can choose here. So I'm going to go into, see, you've got business entrepreneurship, which is internet marketing, IM, health and fitness, romance, mystery, fantasy, how to, all this stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose one of these. I'm going to go for health and fitness. For the last 6 months, Amazon, number of results, I want to get 20 results. 10's probably a little bit too small of a pool. 10 results, I want to get an idea of what's out there. So I'm going to click save. And what that's going to do, it's going to go and pull back all the popular books in that category so that I've got an idea of what's going to sell before I even create the ebook. So I'm going to pause it while it does this. Okay, so now it's finished. As you can see here, it's created it. My first campaign right down here, popular ebooks in the niche. Now all I need to do is just click this icon here, and what that's going to do is going to pull back all the popular books within that category so that I know before I even bother doing an ebook, before I even put it in Amazon, I know straight away that it's going to sell. So if we actually have a look down here, right down here, if I scroll down, it's come back with all the popular books in this category. These are books that we already know are selling. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose one of these and I'm going to create an ebook based off of it. So I'm going to go for yoga, fitness after 50, strength training, workouts, all this kind of stuff. So I'm just going to choose one of these. I'm going to choose this one right here, boost your immune system, strategies for optimal health. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an ebook campaign right here. And watch how easy it is. It's so easy to do it. Just point and click. Just watch what I'm doing here. It's very easy. So the ebook type, you've got a few different ideas here. Short report, lead magnets, which is a really good one if you've got any lead magnets that you want to create. You can do it really easy in here. Video to ebook, URL to ebook, PDF file to source. I'm just going to do an ebook, instant ebook. 80 to 100 pages. I think that's a good size. Maybe we go 40 to 60 pages. I think that's a good size for an ebook. So now it's going to say the topic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this blue button here. The software, the tool is actually going to generate a title for me. So I'm going to go and do that, generating. Once it's run through that, hopefully it's going to give us some titles that we can use. Okay, so as you can see, it's giving us some options here. So, boost your immune system, that's strategies for optimal health. Strengthen your immunity system, immune system mastery, bath to better health. Revitalise your immune system naturally. Immune boosting secrets revealed, I like that one. And we got a whole bunch of them. We got a good few of these. So I'm going to call this, I'm going to do this one, boost your immune system. This one, secrets. Immune boosting secrets, I'm going to use that one. Okay, so there you go. It's giving us a book title here. The topic is this. There's our book title, Immune Boosting Secrets. The subtitles is all done as well. It's giving us a description on this, all done for us. Target audience, you can, you can sort of, you can do general, parents and families, health and wellness. I'm going to change it to health and wellness here. Purpose, educational, entertainment, business. I'm going to call this educational. I'm going to leave it like that. Yeah, I want the tone to be confrontational. You can have this, any of these categories you like. Professional, humorous, academic, practical. I'm going to leave this as confrontational. Author name, I'm going to use my name in here, Ben Fletcher. You can use a pen name. I really recommend that you use a pen name here. Because obviously, if you're going to be operating in lots of different niches with this system, it's probably a good idea to use pen names here. So for this example, I'm just going to use my own name. I'm going to leave this blank. And then here's the really interesting bit. This is where the power of it is. So the way that the power of Amazon, the way that it works is the better keywords you choose, the more visibility your book's going to get. Now, a lot of people struggle with this. It's where a lot of ebooks fail, is they haven't got a clue which keywords to target. They don't know which keywords are going to work on Amazon. This tool will do it for you. This is magic, this. So I'm going to click on this blue button, Get Keywords. And what that's going to do, it's going to populate all this metadata with all the keywords here. You don't have to do anything. It's gone over to Amazon. It's gone and found out what keywords are ranking, what keywords are already getting eyeballs and traffic, and it's populated this for us, all in one click. I didn't have to do anything there. I just done it all in one click. It's giving us a description for this as well, so you don't need to worry about any of that stuff. I'm going to leave this blank. A book price, I'm going to give this a price of, let's say $10 for this book. Okay. Now, something else you can do, if you know the category, you can enter it in here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the tool to do this, because the tool is doing all the heavy lifting here. So I'm going to click on this, going to generate a bunch of categories for us. So I'm just going to click pause while it does that. So as you can see here, straight away at the click of a button, it's generated the best categories for us. It's even gone into sub-niches as well. So it's gone into the overall top level category. It's gone into the sub-niches as well, giving us 3 options here. All of these, which is absolutely fantastic. I didn't have to do anything here. Literally one click of a button, the tool did it. It's absolutely fantastic. So here's the beauty of this. And I know a lot of you guys are interested in affiliate marketing. So here's how you can monetize this with your affiliate links. If you come down here, a lot of people are going to miss this. A lot of people aren't going to have a clue it can do this. So if you come down here into affiliate marketing, you can actually add affiliate links into your ebooks automatically in one click with the software. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to ClickBank here. I'm going to choose one of these products here, one of these affiliate offers. I'm going to choose this offer. I'm going to view the sales page right here. As you can see, this is an offer that I promote actively in my own business right now. I sell probably 20, 30 copies of this a week. As you can see, it's a $27 offer. I don't do anything for this. I sell probably 20, 30 a week of this product. It's a high converting product, so I already know sells really well. So as you can see, it's a really good offer. It's all about smoothie diets, immune system boosting stuff. So it's in keeping with our ebook. It's a really good offer, as you can see down here. Nice sales page. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and get my affiliate link now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through the affiliate page. So I'm just going to walk you through this, how I would do this. Okay, so I just want to walk you through the earning potential that you can make just from promoting this one affiliate offer. That's on top of your ebook sales. That's on top of all the royalties that you get from Amazon as well. So as you can see here, the front end sales for $37. You get $25, and that's not even including all the funnel sales that you get. So if they buy the order bump, you get $23. If they buy OTO1, you get $30. If you go buy OTO2, you get $18. OTO3, you get $23. So all of these are sales that you can make. That's on top of anything that you can do with the Amazon KDP, any royalty that you get from that. So it's a really nice business model when you combine it with the Amazon royalties, which I'm showing you here with your ebook generation as well. So this is going to show us how to get our affiliate link now. So I want direct to sales page. You've got all of these different options here. So I'm going to grab this one right here. I'm going to copy this into Notepad. I already know what my affiliate ID is, so I'm just going to add this in here. That's my affiliate ID. I'm going to copy all of this, really easy. By the way, if you don't have an account on ClickBank, you can go and get one for free, and it will give you your affiliate ID and all this. I just happen to know it because I use it all the time. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy this for here, right, like that. Now what I'm going to do is paste that in there like that. So I'm just going to pull this up a bit so you can see that. So that's my affiliate link in there, like that. Now, the keyword that I'm going to be linking to for my affiliate link is going to be immune. So what that means is every instance of the word immune is going to embed my affiliate link. It's going to attach to my affiliate link. So if somebody clicks on it, I get a commission. If you want to add more affiliate links, you can do that. No problem. You can do that. Just click this button. You can add more if you want to. I'm just going to remove that. One affiliate link's enough. I'm going to click next. Now, this is where it's really powerful now, once again. So I can include images in the ebook. I don't need to physically add any images myself. The software will do it for me. So, generate a cover image by AI. You're going to include the title and author on the cover. Yes, I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave this blank. I'm going to let the software suggest it for me, because obviously the software knows better than I do, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to let the software do all the work here. And then here's something that I forgot. I just skipped over. So the image distribution. So this means, where do you want your images in the ebook? You can have one illustration per chapter at a random location, one illustration per chapter at the end, one illustration per chapter at the beginning. I'm just going to leave it like that. You can choose illustration, cartoon, photorealistic. For this one, I think I'm going to choose cartoon just to see what it kind of generates. You can generate any of these ones. I'm just going to choose cartoon because, that's just the way my head works. I like things that are fun and funky kind of things. So I'm just going to leave it at cartoon to see what it does. And then I'm going to leave this at this. You can use any of these image generators if you want to. I'm just going to leave it at Daddy 3. If you use Nano Banana, you can use that. I'm just going to leave it as default Daddy 3. I'm going to click next. I'm going to leave this all default here. All of this I'm going to leave default. Might make the font size a little bit bigger. Easy reading here, as you can see here. Standard book text, large book text, easy reading. I'm just going to leave it at that. Comfortable reading, large print, all the rest of it. Leave it at 14 for easy reading. Okay, I'm going to leave everything else exactly as it is. It's going to give us a preview of how it's going to look. That looks absolutely fine. Finally, I'm going to come down here, which is this last step right here. I'm going to click Create Campaign. I'm going to go and do that, and then we're going to see what it does. It's going to do, it's queuing it up. I'm going to pause it now. We'll come back and we'll see what it generated. Okay, so that's complete. As you can see, immune boosting secrets revealed. I'm going to go and have a look what this looks like. And do preview, and this is the book. Look at it, pretty good. Got a full table of contents here. It's a pretty comprehensive book that the software tool created. And a few clicks of the button, I didn't have to be an expert to do any of this. The tool did it for me. It did me a great e-cover here. As you can see here, we might be able to play around with it, make it a little bit better. But that's a good starting point. And you can see, good table of contents. And this is the ebook itself. Now, as you can see, when you go through this, you got lots and lots of content here. It's a really good, meaty ebook. It's not a weak ebook. It's a really strong ebook. If I scroll through here, and as you can see, here's my affiliate link. All of this embedded, the word immune. These are all my affiliate links. So if I go and click on that, as you can see here, it's gone straight through to the affiliate offer. Somebody goes and buys, you get a commission on this. This is on top of the sales you make from this ebook itself. So as you can see, it's a really good ebook. It's all been completed. It's all done in just a few clicks. We are able to get a really good ebook together, ready to be published to Amazon KDP, which is really easy to do this in just a few clicks with this software. So with that being said, I'm just going to show you get a whole bunch of training with this. It's called Royalty Profits AI by Dimitris Papadopoulos. You get a whole bunch of training with this. So if I go and show you the training in here, published research, case studies, all of this stuff, a whole comprehensive bunch of training here. So if you grab this through my link, down below here, there's a few bonuses there. One of them is a really valuable bonus for you guys where I'll help you with all of this kind of stuff. Any questions that you have personal access to me, my personal email address. We'll help you with any of this specific to Amazon Royalty Pro AI by Dimitris Papadopoulos. So I'm glad to have shown you this. I hope you got some value out of this and showed you what can be possible with this and how easy it is to use this tool. So any questions, let me know. My name's Ben Fletcher and I will speak to you soon.